See, look, Mark.
Eh?
This is the big book of questions and answer about Jesus.
Daddy.
Do you know that Jesus was a little boy?
Yes.
Do you know he never ran away from his parents when they told him to come here?
Yes.
How does that differ from you?
Uh,
Do you listen when Daddy say come here? Yeah, so you shaking your head and you saying yes.
Six.
Yeah. Okay, so let's read the book.
Okay.
Okay. What does the name Jesus mean? You know what that means? It said daddy and mommies usually choose a name for their baby
It's
before the
not
baby is born.
sharing.
Oh, Jesus always shared.
Share.
Jesus always shared. Yeah.
You're not sharing.
Uh-huh. Say God chose Jesus' name.
That's the airplane.
Smart.
Huh?
Jesus' name means
That's the airplane.
is really the same as Joshua. It comes from two Hebrew words, which means the Lord saves. You know that? Mark, you don't want to read right now, do you?
No.
I didn't think so.
I'll read.